Diagnostics for code P0499. EVAP, vent solenoid malfunction. Another one of these generics. This is sometimes a result of restriction in the canister of vent solenoid. So we're going to use a Flowmeter to check for that. We can also verify it in scan data. But make sure it opens and closes because we're looking for a vent solenoid that doesn't work. So use bidirectional to open and closing it while looking at our Flowmeter to make sure it's operating properly. Now, the control circuit may also be high, which should result in not a functioning. If it's high, it's because we're probably not supplying a ground. So let's take our voltmeter and check it out. We should have battery voltage with no vent. It's in de-energized position. Go here, the vent's open, it should be battery voltage, should be free flowing. And then when you use bidirectional to turn it on, it should drop below 1 volt when we energize it. So this is looking at it from a simple standpoint. And remember, use this combination flow meter. Let's look at it. We should have 0% duty cycle. We should have full flow. There should be low restriction. Remember, we said before, the vent solenoid has 2 functions. 1, to open up and have free flow to stay out of the way of normal purge. And 2, to seal up the system under special conditions for the leak test. So if we can consistently go back and forth between these two, it's working. Now, if it doesn't work, you're going to have to go back and find out if you have a missing B plus or something, because the voltage should not be there and it should be working fine. So go back in here, verify it. Should be battery voltage event energized, less than 1. If that's working, we should be working properly. Check for this restriction. So the vent solenoid must respond to PCM command to have proper flow control. Verify flow, and verify the control voltage, because those are the factors that can set a code.